That little plastic disc under your sink. It's not just killing ants. It's running a chemical operation so effective, so precise, that if a human swallowed it in the wrong amount, it could kill them too. Today we are going inside the poison, how it works, why it's terrifyingly efficient, and what happens if it ends up in the wrong hands. Every year, poison control centers field thousands of cars about and bite and insecticide exposure, most involving curious kids, pets, or accidental misuse. Ant poison is designed to be lethal, just not to us, but the line between safe for humans and dangerous for humans is thinner than you did not think. So how does something built to kill a six-legged insect pose a threat to an 800,000 times heavier human body? Ant poison are not one single chemical, they are a category. The most common active ingredients include borax, sodium borate, a mineral-based compound, fipronil, a neurotoxic insecticide, indoxacarb, a nerve-disrupting compound, tetramethalone, a metabolic poison. Each one is engineered around one brutal fact: insect nervous system and metabolism are different enough from ours that a dose lethal to an ant is often harmless to a human in teeny amounts. Emphasis on teeny. The real danger is not stray ant trap on your counter. It concentrated pesticide products, large ingestions, or repeated exposure over time. Let's go inside the body. Many of these chemicals target the nervous system by interfering with GABA receptors, the switches that calm nerve activity in insects. Blocking this switch causes uncontrolled fatal nerve firing. In humans at high enough exposure, it can trigger tremors, seizures, nausea and vomiting, disorientation, in severe cases, respiratory distress. Borax works differently. In large doses, it disrupts cell function and can damage the kidneys and gastrointestinal tract. It's white, natural does not always means safe. This is where the real world danger lives. It's rarely an adult intentionally ingesting a full bait station. It's toddlers who put things in their mouths. Pets, especially dogs, who are drawn to the bait's smell. Elderly individuals who may mistake products for food or medication. Improper storage, mixing concentrated pesticide with food containers. Poison Control Center report ant and roach bite exposure as one of the most common household chemical causes involving young children. Most causes are mild, but some require emergency care. If poisoning occurs, symptoms typically escalate in Stage 1, nausea, drooling, stomach discomfort. Stage 2, vomiting, dizziness, weakness. Stage 3, tremors, breathing difficulty, seizures. That's critical. If you are someone near your swallows pesticide, do not wait, do not guess. Call poison control or emergency service immediately. The good news, ant poison is incredibly safe when used correctly. A few rules make almost all risk disappear. Keep bite traps in area kids and pets cannot reach. Never transfer pesticide into food or drink containers. Wash hands after handling any pest control product. Store original packaging. Labels matter in emergencies. If injections happen, do not induce vomiting unless told to by a professional. Call for help center. It is straight thought. Something engineered to wipe out a colony of ants sits quietly under millions of sinks, doing its job safely day after day. The chemistry that makes it lethal to insect is the same chemistry that demands respect for us. Knowledge, not fear, is what keeps everyone in the house safe, the ants included, ironically, in the yard. If you learned something today, hit subscribe. Next week we are going inside another everyday chemical hiding in plain sight. Thank you.